IT Service Provider University helps you improve the business side of your business.
Hi, this is Carl with Small Biz Thoughts, and I'm here to give you a super quick introduction to the ITSPU Class 5W14, which is how to build a great lead generation program. This is taught by Mr. James Kernan from Kernan Consulting, who is a professional sales coach. This class will be great for moving you along the path to certification in both management and sales and marketing. Now, here's some of what you can expect to learn. In this class, you will learn how to create your sales playbook. You'll learn what we call Appointment Setting 101, an introduction to appointment setting, how to run the first and second prospect meeting calls, and how to make customers for life, secrets for valuable quarterly business reviews, how to create and present fantastic proposals that actually close, and much, much more. Check out all the details on this class and all the classes we offer at ITSPU.com and learn how you can get started on the path to your professional certification.